So write down Francis turbine, inward flow reaction turbine, which is suitable for heads.
Sir,
50
slide is not
meter,
readable.
250 meter.
सर पहिली स्लाइड दिसते.
First slide.
Subject that.
Yes. Just a minute. Inward flow reaction turbine, which is suitable for heads of 50 meter to 250 meter. Means for the very high head, we can use the Francis turbine. Main components are, number one, scroll casing, means the casing. Second one is the guide mechanism, means guide vanes and guide wheel. Guide mechanism in bracket, guide vanes and guide wheels. Number three, runner and shaft. Number three, runner and shaft. And number four, draft tube. Number four is draft tube. Write down to the next line. Water enters through penstop. Water enters through penstop in scroll casing, which is spiral in shape, Next line. Casing surrounds guide vanes, runner. Casing surrounds guide vanes, runner, shaft, etc. Number three, casing and runner always run with full of water. Next lines. Guide vanes are fixed vanes. Guide vanes are fixed vanes. And runner vanes are movable vanes. Runner vanes are movable vanes. Movable vanes. Guide vanes directs water. Guide vanes directs water to enter into runner. Guide vanes directs water to enter into runner for smooth and shockless entry. For smooth and shockless entry. Smooth and shockless entry. Water flows over. Water flows over. Water flows over runner. Water flows over runner radially inwards. Radially inwards. Radially inwards. Full stop. Moving vanes in bracket runner vanes, moving vanes in bracket runner vanes further convert moving vanes further convert pressure energy to kinetic energy. Pressure energy to kinetic energy. Pressure energy to kinetic energy. Next line. Kinetic energy of water. Kinetic energy of water imported to runner is converted to mechanical work. Is converted to mechanical work. Mechanical work. Full stop. And finally, water is discharged. Finally, water is discharged. Finally, water is discharged through draft tube. Finally, water is discharged through draft tube. The mechanism of Francis turbine. Write down. The mechanism of Francis turbine is quite reverse. Is quite reverse to the. Is quite reverse to the mechanism of. Is quite reverse to the mechanism of centrifugal pump. Mechanism of centrifugal pump. Mechanism of centrifugal pump. Okay, have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So there was a electricity problem, and that's why the first lecture I went outside of that particular lecture. And the video of today's lecture will be there in our table in a two parts. Part one is explanation about all the mechanism, and part two, the description of the Francis turbine. So today I will stop here. In the next lecture, we will see the last type of the turbine, that is Kaplan turbine. Okay. So time being, go for continuous study. On 27th, we have our unit test. Am I correct? 27th को paper है BCME का.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So within coming 2 to 3 days, we can easily finish the Kaplan turbine. So unit number 1 is there for the unit test number 1. Unit 5 pump compressor turbine is there for the unit test. All chapter syllabus. And I have uploaded MCQs. I have uploaded notes in our study table, teaching diary. You can refer it from that particular way. If you will write all the notes, that will be very good. If you are unable to do so, I request you at least read once and then give the examination. Without preparation, don't come for the examination, and start preparation of our unit test today only. From today only, you need to start the preparation. Okay, don't do like that. जिस दिन उसका पेपर है उसी दिन उसका preparation करेंगे. Don't do like that. Almost that 3 to 4 days are there in your hand. On 24th, unit test is going to start. So today, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23. Almost 4 to 5 days are there in your hand. Use it in a proper manner. Syllabus is very limited. That's why study is also going to be very easy. At every evening, at least 2 to 3 hours you will have to give for your self-study. And after studying only, you please face the unit test so that you can score good marks. So time being, I'll stop my lecture here only. Thank you very much for being with me. Have a nice day. Enjoy the evening. Bye-bye.